Hello dear brothers and sisters. So today I'm going to show you how you can generate sitemap for your React based application, and I guess this sitemap helps to in SEO purpose, right? So I'm going to create a sitemap for this application, this website, and I wanna put it in my application so that it helps me to it helps Google search engine to find and crawl my website faster and give the better response. So I'm not good at in SEO, but what I understood, this is very basic. So first of all, I like this website, mysitemapgenerator.com. So it's 100% free and generate very good XML file regarding sitemap generation. There are a lot of websites, but I found it best. So first of all, you have to copy your website link for what you want to generate with XML, right? And you have to put it here and select XML sitemap, right? And then go to creation and then start. It take a couple of seconds. So here it has already generated successfully. So I'm not going to download this right now from here because I have already downloaded it. So once it generates, then you can download it from here on the download button. So then what you have to do, you have to go to your React application, right, and go to the public directory, right, and then create a sitemap.xml file and paste all the generated XML code here. And finally, once you are done this thing, then finally run your server. And so this is sitemap.xml, right? Then I'm going to this is my React application. I'm going to visit sitemap.xml. You can see this is working very fine. So this is the way how you can generate sitemap XML file for your website and put it in Google console to crawl this site easily, right? So in the next video, I'll show you how can you add this XML link to Google's console, and wait for this video, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, thank you.